Hi Gayatri,
Hi, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, you, ma'am.
I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Gayatri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Gayatri, ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Hmm. I am Gayatri. I am from Belagavi. I have completed graduated in Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Okay, like have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I search in Google.
Google, fine. Like which course you have adopted here? What you have gained here?
I took in CACM plus BIM. In I learn CACM quantity surveys and in softwares AutoCAD, SketchUp and Revit architectures.
Okay, like how was the trainer support to you? How they supported you?
Is support in very well in every way.
Yeah, like how was the CMTI app help you out? Like what are the benefit of app?
In same day I have been recorded. I have reserve revision in that what I will learn that what if missed in topic in classes.
Ashok sir support ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? Like sir motivation ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ benefit ಆಯ್ತು?
They will support in very well in everything.
Okay, that's nice. Like software classes, about software classes, how it conducted, how it held.
In conducted in good in AutoCAD in SketchUp in my case learning very well.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was your in placement procedure held? How you cracked it?
I attended in five or six companies. I in six I'll get a job in first yes,
Okay, to which role you have selected for?
in QS quantity survey and billing.
Okay, that's nice. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
Mm, in in learning anything in practical knowledge that college is not teaching any practical knowledge. In same time learn anything practical knowledge.
Okay, I think you're happy with your placements, Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.